Hi everybody, Aaron African Mate here. I made a fun project today. At our club we have once and every 6 months we have a show and tell, and we put some items to show off. And one of the items that I decided to put on is a bottle stopper that I made with a fly fishing hook inside on a clear resin from Resin for Art. But how do I display it? And I decided to display it on a bottle. So I made a miniature bottle with in the back, and that will be my display. So, and this one comes the bottle stopper. So that's my display, and it's a fun project. It's with resin and wood. It's not glued in, it's worked in, and let's start doing the project. I'll show you how I did it step by step. Just remember, safety first, mask, shield, and let's start working. Be safe there.
Qu'il n'y a rien de plus fort que ta main dans la mienne. Et si tu me pardonnes de ma voix qui résonne, reste encore près de moi. S'il reste un peu d'amour, j'en aurai en retour que pour toi. Et si tu reviens, je n'oublierai plus ma chanson. Je t'ouvre la porte et promets de faire attention à...
Preparing the base, and I'll drill it in 3 stages. First, I drilled it with a 25mm drill, then I moved it to a 45mm, and then I increased it with a carbine tool to about 70mm. The resin that I'm using on this project is Resin for Art. I found it working very well for me, and I mixed it in a Bordeaux colors, dark color, like a bottle, like a wine bottle.
Des paroles en l'air qui semblent innocentes laissent des traces lourdes comme le silence. Je l'écris pour qu'à jamais je me souvienne qu'il n'y a rien de plus fort que ta main dans la mienne. Et si tu me pardonnes de ma voix qui résonne, reste encore près de moi. S'il reste un peu d'amour, j'en aurai en retour que pour toi. Et si tu reviens, je n'oublierai plus ma chanson. Je t'ouvre la porte et promets de faire attention à toi.
Oops, a small piece just broke off from the base. I'll try to put painter's tape and to hold the rest of it, and hopefully it will not break off. Like it did not work. It broke off. Okay, plan B. We'll use it, we'll make it without a broad base. We'll repair it this way. I'm sending it from 150 to 600. Afterward, I will put on it Yorkshire-grit. Yorkshire-grit goes to about 800, 900. And when I'll finish with the Yorkshire-grit, I will put on the resin. I'll polish the resin with Anovas 3.2, and the wood I'll use OB shine juice to give it a shine, but only on the wood, not on the resin.
Savoir t'aimer un jour à la
Painter tape again, so when I chuck it in the chuck, it will not damage the wood. Le vent se lève à l'aube de la tempête, les idées grises qui flottent dans ma tête. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me the thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks and have a great day.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just